In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Salesforce account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in salesforce.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Salesforce. From here you'll be able to scale endlessly with autonomous AI agents, unified data and CRM apps together on one integrated platform. So if you want to create the account for yourself, it is actually very simple. Click on this option, try for free. Once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to create your Salesforce account from here. Salesforce is a paid platform, so for that, you'll have to pay certain amount. But you'll be able to start 30-day free trial. You'll be able to get these features that you can see right over here on your screen. Now, you'll have to answer a few questions in order to start your free trial. First of all, enter your first name. Now enter the last name. Now what you have to do is select the job title over here. Click on the field of job title and enter the job title. Now click on this option next. Now you'll have to answer 5 more questions. What you have to do is select the number of employees over here. Click on the field of employees. Now simply select the number of employees. Once you do that, you'll have to enter the company name. Click on the field of company name. Now what you have to do is enter the company name over here. Now also select the country or region, click on the field of country or region. You'll be able to find various countries over here. Click on the country of your choice. Now also select the state or province. Click on the field of state or province and select it over here. Now click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll have to answer 2 more questions. What you have to do is enter your phone number and email address over here. Click on the field of phone number and fill out the phone number over here. Once you're done, click on the field of work email. Now what you have to do is enter the work email over here. Now after you provide the phone number and work email, check on this box, I agree to the main services agreement. Now click on the submit option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is check your email. Go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, Gmail has been opened. Salesforce will send you the email. Simply click on the email sent by it. Now in this email, you'll be able to find the option for verify account. Simply click on it. After that, you'll be redirected to the new tab. From here, you'll be able to set up the password for yourself. What you have to do is simply create a new password and confirm the password. So simply create a password for yourself. Your password must contain at least 8 characters, 1 number and 1 letter. After you do that, confirm the new password. Now what you have to do is answer the security question over here. Pick your security question by simply clicking on this field. Now after you do that, click on the field of answer and answer the security question. Now once you're done, click on this option, change password that you can see on the screen. Now once you set your password, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the question over here. What brings you to Salesforce? Click on the option of your choice and click on the next option. Now you'll be able to see other questions as well. Simply answer the questions. Now you can see over here your Salesforce account has been created. So like this, you'll be able to create your account. So that is how you create Salesforce account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.